So this morning for breakfast, I'm going to be making up some little chaffle waffles as bread, and we're going to cook up some bacon, and we're going to give this a try. Serve it up with lots of butter, lots of little chaffles with bacon. Let's see how this turns out. Shout out to the meat shop here where I live. These guys make their own bacon from organic pigs, farm raised. And it's absolutely wonderful bacon, nice thick slices. And we're just going to cut these in half to make them more, actually maybe we'll do it in thirds. And we just got a nice stainless steel frying pan here. Oh, I know you smell the bacon, don't you? Yeah. I don't know why this is making you so curious. You don't like the taste of bacon. I've given it to you several times. Okay, we're just gonna put that on a medium heat. Okay, got our bacon pretty much where we want it. Now we're going to take a little of this bacon grease here. And we're just going to mix that in. Yeah, now this thickened up a lot. So I think these are going to be good. I know the last time I made chaffles, they were actually too thick. Okay, let's get our waffle iron heating up. Now this is actually, it looks big, but it's actually a mini waffle iron. It just does 4 of them at the same time. And of course I'm going to save the extra bacon fat. And it looks like we have a green light. Oh, you know what? I forgot to oil this thing. Oops. That one might stick a bit. I've just got some unsalted butter here. Some people ask me why I use unsalted butter. It's because salted butter uses iodized salt, and it's usually a synthetic iodine, so I don't really like that. Oh, I guess that's just steam. I thought they were burning. Leave that plugged in for a little bit longer. Yeah, I think we're good. Not quite the golden brown I wanted, but don't want to overcook these either. Okay, just let that butter soften a bit. Okay, now we're just going to start stacking some bacon. And there we have it. We got some nice Chaffle bacon sandwiches. That is a thing of beauty. Now I'm going to sit down and enjoy my breakfast. See you on the next one, folks. Fuzzy D out.